Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing y'all how I did these large faux locks on one of my clients. The first thing I did was part ear to ear, and then I split that section in half. Y'all know when I part I use Shine and Jam. Just makes the part straighter. The first thing I did was basically box braids in her hair with the Marley hair. I folded the Marley hair in half and used those as 2 strands and her hair as the 3rd strand. It really is no particular way to do this part, but I just like to grab all of the hair at once. Because y'all know how some people cornrow when they do box braids and it's hard for you to move the box braids around. I just grab all the hair at the same time so I don't have to worry about that, and my client can put it up, down, however they want to from day one. So yeah, I'm gonna do these all over her head first. You don't have to braid all the way down. You can just braid a few inches down. Some people like to braid all the way to the end of the client's hair, but honestly, it doesn't matter. I always moisturize my client's hair before I install these, just because all of their hair is being tucked away and there's really no way for them to moisturize their hair while they have it done. So make sure you moisturize their hair and seal it before installing these locks. These took me about 5 hours, y'all. This took forever, but I think if I wasn't recording, it probably would have took 4. I need to get my speed up on these locks because, yeah, that's forever. Alright, as for the wrapping process, the first thing I do is crochet 2 strands of the Cuban Twist hair at the root or the base. And then I just start wrapping the longer side around. I like to wrap from left to right, but it doesn't matter which way you wrap. Just make sure you keep it consistent. Sometimes while you're wrapping this hair around, it twists at the roots and causes tension. So what I like to do is take one of my clips and clip the braid that I'm working on to the one beside it, and it won't turn at all. I ended up using 10 packs for her whole style. That sounds like a lot, but her locks were not heavy at all. So yeah, I'm gonna keep showing y'all this part over and over. Just crochet the hair at the root and then wrap around. I'm gonna show you how to do the ends later, so don't worry about that part right now. Of course, whenever the hair runs out, you just grab another strand of the Marley or the Cuban Twist hair and just add it in. I think I did about 6 locks per pack of hair. I don't like when my locks are really neat, so honestly, I don't do this part really tight. I kind of just wrap it around. I don't know, I don't do it very neat because I want them to look as real as possible. And these look so much better after a few weeks. I wish I could show y'all how I look later. Maybe I'll ask her for a picture, but yeah. I like mine to look natural, so I don't do them really tight and really neat. And that's also why I like Cuban Twist hair, because it's thick and it's really kinky and it's not shiny, so I like it. Make sure you're careful when you're crocheting the roots. Be sure you do not grab any of the client's hair and pull it through, because that would hurt. One tip I have is to make sure you cover the braid completely, especially at the root, because the last thing you need is for the braid to start seeping through the lock. Alright y'all, so when I get to the end, basically all I do is start grabbing really small pieces, wrap back up, wrap back down, wrap back up, tie knots. I kind of just tangle the hair up and roll it in my hands. I know that's not a good explanation, but that's the best way I can explain it. Like literally, I just keep grabbing little pieces and wrapping them all over the place, tying them in knots together. Just tangle the hair up to where it's not gonna unravel. And palm rolling is literally like, you have to palm roll because it just blends it all together. I hate having to cut the end or cut hair off of the bottom because it just doesn't look as natural. Y'all see how round the bottom of her lock looks? That's how real locks look. When it's blunt at the bottom or when you cut it off at the bottom or burn it, it just doesn't look as natural. So I like to keep going until the bottom looks round and perfect like that and I don't have anything sticking out the bottom. Alright y'all, so when I'm finished, of course I'm using my Vigorol mousse for relaxed hair. Just putting that on her roots. And then I'm dipping the hair in hot water. I got this pot from Walmart. I believe it's called a portable coffee pot. It was like $20, so yeah, y'all should get one. It makes it so much easier. I sprayed some oil sheen on it, and that was it. When you dip them in the water, it makes such a big difference. Alright y'all, so here is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think down below and what y'all want me to do next. I'm trying to keep them coming, so just let me know and I will see y'all in the next video. Fail.